As you are aware, we came here for the inaugural graduation of Riragia Technical and Vocational College. This college has been here since 2019, but this is the very first time that they are doing a graduation. As you know, we have agreed that going forward, we will utilize the potential that TVET has to enable us industrialize and assist our economy. That's why we are working very hard to ensure that all our graduates from this TVET are skilled, hands-on, job-ready once they come out to the market. And that's why we came to ensure that we give them the support they require, and so that we can continue releasing graduates to the market that are able to ensure that the skills that they've acquired is what is required in the market, and that's why we are here. And, it has grown. It started with about 270 trainees, but to date there are 2,700, and they have a target of reaching 6,000 in our broader target of raising the enrollment in the TVET sector from the previous 375,000 to the 700,000 that we are now to 2 million at the end of this year. The capitation that was released, first and foremost, this is one of the very first years that capitation for the second term has been released in May. Previously, capitation for second term was being released in July or in June. So that is a good thing. Secondly, there could have been an error in the school that received the 86 shillings or 84, and our teams in the office are working with those schools to find out what the error was so that it is rectified. We advise that any head teacher or principal who receive resources that are far below what they expected would reach out to our teams from the sub-county to the ministry, and then it is corrected. So we are handling it and it will be sorted. The issues that we are dealing with is, we now have a system that has 3 pathways. We want some schools to handle 2 pathways and others from various regions to handle the 3 pathways. So we are classifying them according to the capacities that they have to be able to deal with the pathways that we have. And if there is a school that has the capacity to handle 3 pathways, then it is upgraded to that C4 that way. So that's the exercise that is being done as we move along, as the students keep choosing their school. And this exercise will go on until the end of this term. I can assure parents, as we have done previously, that the examination fees will be borne by the government. No parent is going to be required to pay the examination fees.
I want to assure all parents, wherever they are across the country, that money meant for examination is in the budget, so don't get worried. The money meant for examination of our children is in the budget, and we cannot even dare remove the money because we know these parents are not able to pay the examination fee, and we need our children to go to school and learn. Don't always report negative things that are not there. Mimi nawaambia kama mbunge ambaye yuko katika kamati ya budget and appropriation ya kwamba pesa ya examination ya watoto wetu iko katika budget, na watoto wetu watafanya mtihani bila kuitishwa hata nduru.